Alright, veggie skeptics and snack lovers, gather around. What if I told you that you could eat more veggies without even realizing it? Yep, you heard me right. I'm about to reveal 10 plus sneaky, crazy, and downright genius hacks that'll have you devouring greens in your favorite meals, snacks, and even desserts without any of the guilt. Ready to flip the script on how you think about veggies? Let's dive in! Hey there, friends! Let's be real. Getting enough veggies can feel like a chore. We all know they're good for us, but sometimes those greens just sit in the fridge until they turn into a science experiment. Sound familiar? Well, today we're flipping the script. I'm about to reveal 10 plus sneaky, creative, and downright fun ways to get more veggies into your diet without even realizing it. Whether you're a veggie skeptic or a greens guru, these hacks will change the way you think about veggies forever. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. First up, let's talk about one of my favorite tricks: sneaking veggies into your favorite dishes. Think you can't enjoy mac and cheese and still get your greens? Think again. The key here is to be stealthy. You can blend spinach into your pasta sauce, toss bell peppers into your scrambled eggs, or sneak mushrooms into your pizza. The best part? You won't even taste them, but your body will be getting all those extra nutrients. I once hosted a dinner party and served a rich, creamy lasagna. My friends raved about how good it was, and only after they had seconds did I reveal that the sauce was packed with pureed carrots and zucchini. Their faces were priceless. They couldn't believe they'd eaten and loved so many veggies. Why was the tomato embarrassed? Because it saw the salad dressing. Okay, enough with the puns. Let's get back to the good stuff. Which veggie do you think blends best into pasta sauce? Spinach, carrots, or cauliflower? Drop your guess in the comments and let's see who's right. Here's a challenge for you. Take your favorite comfort food and sneak in at least one veggie. Try it out and share your experience in the comments. Did anyone notice? Snacking doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure, especially when you turn veggies into crave-worthy snacks. Whether it's sweet potato fries, crispy kale chips, or crunchy carrot tots, there's no shortage of ways to turn veggies into something you'll actually look forward to eating. The first time I made kale chips, I was skeptical. I mean, how good can baked leaves be, right? But after one bite, I was hooked. They were so crispy and flavorful that I ate the whole batch in one sitting. Now I make them regularly, and they've become my go-to movie snack. For the crispiest veggie snacks, make sure you slice them thin and spread them out evenly on the baking sheet. And don't forget to experiment with seasonings. Paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of sea salt can transform your veggies into something magical. Which veggie makes the best fries? Sweet potatoes, zucchini, or parsnips? Vote in the comments and let's settle this once and for all. I dare you to swap out your usual chips for veggie chips this week. Try it and let me know how it goes. Bonus points if you can get your friends or family to do the same. Next, let's elevate your meals by using veggies as the foundation. Forget the bread, rice, or tortillas. Let's build your meal on a bed of greens, roasted bell peppers, or even portobello mushrooms. Not only does this cut down on empty carbs, but it also adds a fresh, crunchy texture that'll make your meals more satisfying and nutritious. I once had a taco night with friends and decided to use lettuce wraps instead of tortillas. At first, they were skeptical. Lettuce wraps? Really? But by the end of the night, everyone was raving about how light and refreshing it was, and no one even missed the tortillas. Why did the lettuce break up with the tomato? Because it couldn't leave it alone. If you're feeling adventurous, try using roasted bell peppers or grilled zucchini slices as a base for your meals. It's a great way to add depth of flavor and extra nutrients. What's the best veggie base for a wrap? Lettuce, kale, or cabbage? Share your thoughts in the comments. Try swapping out your usual sandwich bread for large lettuce leaves this week. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do, let me know what creative fillings you used. Smoothies are like the secret agents of the veggie world. They can hide anything and still taste amazing. This is where you can get really sneaky. Adding spinach, kale, or even carrots to your smoothies is a game changer. The flavors blend so well that you won't even realize you're drinking your veggies. And the bonus? A burst of vitamins and minerals with every sip. The first time I added spinach to my smoothie, I was nervous. It looked so green. but one sip and I was hooked. Now it's a daily ritual, and I even got my roommate on board. She was shocked at how good it tasted and couldn't believe there was spinach in it. For a smoothie that's as vibrant as it is nutritious, try adding a small beet. It'll give your smoothie a gorgeous color without overpowering the flavor. Which veggie do you think adds the best color to a smoothie? Spinach, beets, or carrots? Vote in the comments and let's see what the consensus is. I challenge you to add a handful of spinach to your next smoothie. Try it and tell me how it went. Did you notice a difference in taste? Now here's where things get really fun, turning veggies into desserts. Yep, you heard that right. From sweet potato brownies to carrot cake and even beet cupcakes, veggies can be the secret ingredient that takes your desserts to the next level. They add moisture, natural sweetness, and a healthy dose of nutrients without sacrificing flavor. I'll never forget the time I made sweet potato brownies for a potluck. Everyone was raving about how rich and fudgy they were. No one had a clue they were eating veggies. When I finally revealed the secret ingredient, there were a lot of shocked faces and a lot of requests for the recipe. Why did the carrot become a musician? Because it had perfect pitch. To make sure your veggie-based desserts are a hit, finely grate or puree the veggies before adding them to the batter. This ensures a smooth texture and even distribution of flavor. Which veggie-based dessert would you try first? Sweet potato brownies, carrot cake, or beet cupcakes? Share your pick in the comments. Next time you're baking, try swapping out some of the sugar or fat with pureed veggies. Let me know how it turns out. Who knows, you might discover a new favorite recipe. Another easy and delicious way to boost your veggie intake is by using them as toppings. Whether it's tacos, pizzas, or soups, adding a handful of fresh or roasted veggies on top can elevate your meal in both flavor and nutrition. Avocado, roasted bell peppers, and fresh salsa are just a few examples of toppings that can transform a dish. I used to think pizza was all about the cheese and pepperoni until I tried topping it with roasted veggies. The flavors were so rich and satisfying that I didn't even miss the meat. Now, veggie-topped pizza is a regular in my meal rotation. For a pop of color and flavor, try adding pickled onions or jalapenos as a topping. They add a tangy kick that pairs perfectly with almost anything. What's your favorite veggie topping? Avocado, bell peppers, or mushrooms? Let's see which one comes out on top. Next time you're making a meal, challenge yourself to add at least 2 different veggie toppings. Snap a pic and share it in the comments. I'd love to see your creations. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not start it off right with some veggies? Veggie-loaded omelets, spinach pancakes, and sweet potato waffles are just a few ways to sneak in those greens before you even finish your morning coffee. Plus, they're so delicious that you'll forget you're eating healthy. One weekend, I decided to surprise my family with spinach pancakes. The reactions were mixed at first. Green pancakes? But after one bite, everyone was hooked. Now it's a weekend tradition, and no one even bats an eye at the color. If you're in a rush, make veggie-packed breakfast muffins ahead of time. They're perfect for grabbing on the go, and make sure you start your day with a healthy boost. Which veggie would you add to your breakfast? Spinach, sweet potatoes, or bell peppers? Let me know in the comments. Try adding veggies to your breakfast for a week, whether it's in your eggs, pancakes, or even waffles. Let me know how it goes, and if you notice any changes in how you feel throughout the day. Grains are great, but sometimes swapping them out for veggies can be a game changer, especially if you're looking to cut down on carbs or up your veggie intake. Cauliflower rice, zucchini noodles, and sweet potato toast are just a few delicious alternatives to traditional grains. They're light, nutritious, and perfect for adding variety to your meals. I was skeptical about cauliflower rice at first. How could it possibly replace my beloved rice? But after trying it in a stir-fry, I was blown away. It's now a staple in my kitchen, and I love experimenting with different flavors and seasonings. For a fun twist on pasta night, try making zucchini noodles. Just sauté them lightly with olive oil, garlic, and your favorite sauce. It's a fresh, light alternative that's packed with flavor. Which veggie would you try as a grain substitute first? Cauliflower, zucchini, or sweet potatoes? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. This week, try swapping out one of your usual grains for a veggie alternative. Whether it's cauliflower rice, zucchini noodles, or sweet potato toast, I'd love to hear how it went. Veggies are incredibly versatile, and one of the best ways to incorporate them into your diet is by turning them into sauces and dips. Hummus, guacamole, and salsa are all packed with nutrients and can be used as spreads, dips, or even salad dressings. Making your own veggie-based sauces is easy, and it allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring you get the most nutritional bang for your buck. I made my first batch of homemade hummus a few years ago, and I was blown away by how much better it tasted compared to store-bought. Plus, knowing that it's packed with fresh, wholesome ingredients makes it even better. Experiment with different veggies and herbs to create your own signature dips and sauces. The possibilities are endless. Which veggie-based dip do you think is the best? Hummus, guacamole, or salsa? Drop your favorite in the comments. Last but not least, let's talk about sneaking veggies into your baked goods. Whether it's muffins, bread, or cookies, adding veggies can increase the nutritional value and make your treats more filling. Carrots, zucchini, and sweet potatoes work particularly well in baked goods, adding moisture, sweetness, and a subtle flavor that pairs perfectly with spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. The first time I baked zucchini bread, I was amazed at how moist and delicious it was. Now it's a staple in my baking rotation, and no one can even tell there are veggies inside. Shred your veggies finely to ensure they blend seamlessly into your batter, keeping the texture smooth and consistent. Which veggie would you add to your baked goods? Carrots, zucchini, or sweet potatoes? Let me know your pick. And there you have it. 10 plus sneaky ways to eat more veggies without even realizing it. Whether you're a veggie lover or someone who struggles to get your greens, these hacks will help you boost your health effortlessly. So why not give them a try? And if you have your own favorite veggie hacks, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Before you go, if you're looking for more ways to improve your health and wellness, check out our digital products at shop.bytevault.co.in. As a special thank you for watching, use the code FITNESS10 at checkout to receive 10% off your next purchase. Thanks for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep sneaking those veggies into your meals.